Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Okay, we have several cross stitches. It's like you get everything going. All right, this is from VIPCrossStitch, and it will be in two parts. Part one will be today, and next week will be part two. So let's see what we got going here. Hang on. Okay. We'll start with this one, and it is a Joy Sunday. It's pre-printed, and it was $6.13, but isn't that pretty? You take it out of the bag. Comes in the beautiful Joy Sunday bags. Very nicely printed. Tells you how to start, how to finish, that kind of thing. And they're very durable, so if you finish the project, then you can reuse the bag for anything, except for food. I wouldn't do that. But anyway, so isn't that beautiful? It's called Spring Messenger, and 14 count. It has like a bumblebee, I guess. That's what that is. And lots of flowers and some back stitching. Looks like it's got some half cross stitches, so it's not very big. Let's see here. What have we got going? I'm looking at all these colors. There are 59 colors. It has full stitch, half stitch, back stitch, and French knots. 59 colors. I'm so sorry. Yeah, and it's all printed on one package. Does it say? It's 144 by 135. Very nicely printed, so you can see where the back stitching is. And it's just printed on one whole sheet. So let's take a look at all those beautiful colors. There are a lot of them. It does come with 2 needles. It comes on one of these, I'm just going to remove that, cards where the red numbers are how many strands you get. The next one is the DMC, and the next one is the number on the thread card. So that is an awful lot of colors. Wow. Wow, 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 wowzer. And it even has the product number that's on the front of the, in your packet with the picture. Only seeing one number. So, very beautiful, beautiful colors. Let me see if I can just wrap them together so you can see them all basically at one time. Aren't those beautiful? You got spring colors, you got a little bit darker colors, you got blues and purples. You even have some 310 black. So very nice, but that is a lot of colors. So we'll take a look at the canvas and see how it looks. It's very squared. I'm gonna look at some. No, it's 33 by 32. So it is 33 inches or centimeters this way, or 13 inches that way. And it is 32 centimeters or 12.5 that way. Actual picture size is 9 3/4 or 25 centimeters by, it's a little wider than it is longer, so I'm trying. 10 1/4 by, or 26 centimeters. So not very big. 10 by, so it'd fit in a 10 by 10 frame. Or 12 by 12 as far as that goes, because you got plenty of material. Yeah, it's 13 inches that way. And 12.5 that away. So, yeah, I think it would fit in a 12 by 12. Very pretty, very nicely printed. All your colors are down on the bottom, but they are not the same as on the paper pattern. The colors are the same, but the symbols aren't the same. But it's very easy to read and see what you're working with. Wraps all the way around for all your colors. And then you have your half stitch here. So there are several of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different colors in half stitch. And 1 French knot and 3 in back stitch. So there's not a lot of colors in your back stitch, but you could certainly add to it with whatever you wanted to do. But I just thought it was pretty. I really, really, really liked it. All right, let's see what is here. So this is not a Joy Sunday. Hold that thought. Get all that out. So you have a bag. It says it's a 30 by 53, and this is the product number right here. And all your threads are all separate. You even have a toolkit with a needle threader, 5 needles, poof ball, and a thimble. And we have the oxen this time. At least it's printed. It does come with the same instructions that are on the back of the Joy Sundays. It's pretty standard. It does show you how to start, how to finish, what to do. Yeah, very nice. So if you've never done that before, you know, very nice. Whoops, I'm sorry. About ripped that to guinea. It does have the product number up here and how big it is. And this is the picture. Isn't that pretty? And it's called Begonias. But it is an 11 count, not an 18 count. It has 40 colors. It does say how many squares per square down here. It's 103 by 207. And it has 310 black, no 550 purple. It does have 666 red, and no 321 red. Let's see. It has 3771, which is a dark brown, and no 3856 and 3862. So that'll be interesting. I'm not real sure. I guess the whites go in the moon, but very nice, very small, not very big, like that part. Let's pull these out of this bag here. All right, so you have a hank of 310 black, of course. There you go. Look at all the oranges and the reds. Isn't that pretty? Just thought it was beautiful. Browns and light yellows. Little peach, maybe. Kind of a pale orange there. You have purple. But different shades of red. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different shades of like red to red orange. You have some orange, you have some golden brown. I mean, all 3 of those don't even look like they're a different shade, but they are. You can see a little bit of shading. And this right here is your 3371, or this one. I think it's this one. It's 24. Right. 24. No. 26. No, those aren't even the browns. Where? I know, I saw that. Number 33 is not that. That's weird. Oh, maybe it's not that brown. It's not 3371, it's 3771. Sorry, my bad. Not even close. But you do have some dark browns in there and some grays. So, very, very beautiful colors. I'm going to put that right up here. And put that up there. Let's take a look at this canvas. It is serged all the way around. It does have some little tags over here. Well, maybe. What is the problem, kids? It's like they dang near missed, but they got it. It's good. I haven't had a problem with any of these fraying at all. I mean, I'd expect it more on a huge one that you were going to be working a lot on. So I haven't had any kind of problem like that. And the serging does not go into the numbers. Very nice key. It's very big. Now, this pattern, the paper pattern and the canvas match as far as symbols go. Nice and big areas. And you do have a little bit of confetti, but it's not too wide, not too big at all. Now this kit was, hang on, $5.53. It was $9.07. So not too big, easy to hold on your lap. It is the thicker canvas. I just crunch it down a bit and it works just fine. Alright, now VIPCrossStitch has only hand stitching. Like counted or stamped cross stitch. They do have some punch needle stuff, and they have lots of accessories, tools, crafts for all this. When you buy $50, you get 2 items free. If that is changed, I will put that in the description below. They do have free shipping on orders over $50, and there is a 5% off discount code, if I could just talk, for you to use, you know, when you go to the site, which is always nice. And let's see, what else do I need to tell you about them? They do have custom in cross stitch. I don't know if they do anything else. I mean, as far as maybe latch hook or anything like that, or punch needle. I'm not real sure. Sorry, I needed a drink. And let's see. I don't remember if they tell you if Joy, you know, kits are Joy Sundays or not, or if they have a separate section for that. So go check out their site. Their prices are really, really good, and they always have a lovely selection. I never go there and not find something that I like. And I have ordered from them personally. Very nice, very easy to deal with, and it usually takes about 2 weeks for the orders to get here. So do check them out. Now part 2 will be next Friday. So do look for that, and it'll be at the same time at 10 o'clock in the morning. Alright guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.